That's how much a Volkswagen Golf cost. We're on our way to go get Mike a new car. We're gonna go get him, what is it, a 1.8 Jetta?
Yeah, it's 1.8 Jetta turbo.
Drive it back with registered plates on it.
Yeah, and a whole lot of luck.
So hopefully it doesn't shit the bed on the way home.
Now you went and said it.
Now it's gonna shit the bed.
What's the gas price? That sucks.
End of the case, so there's lots to grab it because it goes in the camera.
Legendary tuner car right here. Eclipse. GST.
They make friends real quick.
We got the $600 V-dub going, and we are departing. Now we're just gonna throw coolant in it, get the coolant out of the back, and then hopefully make it home. Hopefully. Hey, and he can still drive manual. Well, we went from the gas pump over there to here, and we have sprung a leak. Oh, dude!
Don't fuck with my.
Dude, it's already off. It's already off. Like. Oh, what the fuck?
There we go.
Ah, you stalled it. Yeah. We got her home.
Got her home. Yeah, she good?
You don't got smoke coming out the vents anymore, so.
No, I think I cleaned it up. Brakes got cleaned up pretty good. Brakes were.
There's Jetta. We on our way to Mike's, right, Brandon? This is Brandon. I just poked you in the face. Yeah, that's Brandon, my buddy from work.
Is it a diesel or no?
No, it's 1.8 T.
Yeah.
So pulled apart the heater core on a Volkswagen. Dash is out. Panels out. Drop the HVAC. Behind curtain number 3 is.
Ta-da! It's a cracker.
That's a pain.
Got a cracker.
Get the whole interior and panel.
I've been in the video too.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi guys.
This is Mike Slaughter. Mascot.
I've got your mascot.
My own fucking industry, worldwide automotive dealership. I can't wait.
Hell yeah, man.
Let's go, baby. We got the Mazda.
The Mazda.
The Mazda.
It's gone. I just whipped a quarter brick and now my wrist gone.
Are you part of the police? The Royal Mounted Police?
Russian military.
I'm part of the KGB.
Ah, shit. I read that totally wrong.
Then you must go to Gulag.
Who the fuck is Gulag?
Suka bia.
There you go. Fucking children, man. I'll just drop my car off and I'll get someone to come pick me up at your house on my lunch.
So when I'm on vacation and I'm not at work. Hey,
I'll bring you a case of beer.
I don't want to hear it.
Sarah can drive me back here after work.
Who doesn't want to drive you anywhere?
You come in here. Why the fuck would you not bring me here?
Bring a case of beer when you come on lunch.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay.
I'll stop and go. Deal.
Alright.
I'm driving your car back.
No, nice try.
And he's
We don't need
burning
no
your
broken
clutch.
exhaust shit. Or my clutch burnt
I
out.
won't burn it out.
It's Thursday morning. Off work today. Got my Timmy's and me. Head back home, load up my bike, and I think we're gonna go to Romadante there. We're gonna go for a bike ride. Just grabbed a drink. That way we can go. I got my bike in the back. Head out to Romadante and go biking now. Made it out here. I do not know how I didn't know about this place. So, I have a Sub parked here now. Kind of parked it up on this hill over here. Gonna unload the bike. We're not really far off the road, but I drove the Sub up here. And up this little hill here. Ooh, it's trying not to bottom out here. Gotta stop and get some food, you know? That teriyaki experience. So, chop them up. Yeah. The girls back home? It's Friday. Gonna head over and get Sarah. Gotta go deal with some traffic tickets. Where are we going, criminal?
Courthouse.
We here. What up, Dan?
There you go. Fucking slow ass motherfuckers.
Oh, your bumper's like really popping out now, eh?
It's okay. It'll be a problem for Subaru when I go for the service.
Not your problem. Oh
Seagull
shit.
Some seagulls, man.
That's a good scratch.
Fucking rocks. But yeah.
Nice and clean.
This was not a practical daily, Dan.
It's highly practical.
What are you putting on your car now, Dan?
Yeah, 11.
Holy shit, he's still cleaning his car.
Yeah, it's fucking dark now.
Hey, Mike.
What's up? Yeah, fuck you too. Oi!
You like my new hat? I got a new hat.
Fucking, the symbol doesn't light up anymore.
The symbol doesn't light up. It's a $1,500 laptop.
Rich kid problems.
I'm broke as shit.
We do these lunch and learn things where like we'll go out to them.
You get muffs?
Yeah, they pay us.
Balls if you do. I swear to God, your balls
Bet.
will go into
Bet.
your cheek.
Mike,
They're not big enough.
What?
are you talking shit?
Yes, all-wheel drive bullshit can't fucking do shit.
All-wheel drive bullshit can't do shit. Hear this thing? And it's Pacifica.
My Pacifica cost me $600. How much is that costing you?
Doesn't matter.
It matters.
My girlfriend doesn't like when I talk about it. It doesn't. It don't matter.
It matters. She don't like it. You're paying a lot. There you go.
You lost your key in a mausoleum.
You're on drugs.
What the fuck?
What are you doing?
Nice pull, Dan.
You said that before when I'm not around?
Touch my ball. Stroke my ball.
Later. Yep, heard that. And that's the end of this video, guys. I have quite a bit more video actually from yesterday. Enough that I'm probably gonna make another little video. Post up another shorter video during the week sometime. But for this video, that's all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.